For he that must come to justice must come with a clean hand. Oh, we are men. I am a bundo to a good. In the second, you cannot in the bed. Here we do. In here we do. In Canebo. Oh, I said, oh, this is another negative. Why again? You have collected your sister's birthright. Out of working, down to my wagon. And let's go along with my Atana. But speak my daughter. How could I flare? How could I flare? You go put up your love. Hey, Chicolema, who will I get? Don't use my threat. You got off. Ha ha. I'm going to say, oh, that's what I did. That's what you know. Oh, no, can't you? Why am I not in money? What happened? I didn't matter. As I ran to this myself, this my alone, then beside me, I got urinating as well. Papa, I saw it, and there was someone better. Hey! Jesus wept. This is my head. You killed my sister for me. You are talking around nonsense. I'm not cause, I have said, come on, buddy. Do not conscience. This is the case of Crocodile Cultus. You said this, I'm going to buy shots. Chairman Bara. Hey, Papa, this is a baby. Give it to them. I
have agreed that this our son here is very, very stupid. You have gone and related with his in-law. But this is not the reason why we should end this marriage. You guys should share with him.
Hey, I'm going to buy you guys.
We will just share with him.
There is no time.
Collect my
Have you seen my beautiful baby?
Today is a special day. Go and show us your husband. What are the children?
Have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh, yeah. Baby, something they could do with that baby, na sugar. Everybody they wait. If I didn't love my God.
okay? Put down one. Okay, please take it to this my daughter. It's not yours. Come on, brother. I got to run on number.
I know they like that get up up and down. Baby, not tomato, baby, too fresh like morning wine. Everybody they wait. Put a girl in up. If I didn't got my car, I soup on a money kill up. I don't want to pick him, yeah.
Your sister has already made that choice. You cannot marry your sister. Come inside, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Your sister has made that choice.
Hey, neighbor. Look at me.
Lord, I thank you for blessing me and my family. What do we have here? Today's newspaper. Federal government hosts Nnamdi Kanu wickedness. Pure wickedness. Hey, a woman cut off her husband's private part. Obidia. But try this nonsense with me. Awa kwale awa. Okay. Oh, she feel the way. Okay. Padma. Okoro. Obidia. Putera. My people. I have good news. After my daughter, after one is pregnant. And very soon she will deliver. And I will become a grandfather. You cannot cut my house and insult me and my in-law. No. We are here to give you safe landing. Chief, don't complain. You know this is what they call him in the whole village.
He's our illustrious German parent in-law.
I know. You all will leave my house now.
Oh, Chief, are you not happy? Your own daughter is pregnant. Hey, Chief.
Okay, now open there. Okay, now what? What are you not telling me? I am now a grandfather.
Hey.
I support you. When my wife was over, I almost died.
We know how you feel.
And I decided to take one sister, get lazy man. But my wife, she refused to. Open your door.
Chief, this is another thing. You have said the truth for once. Why not say that for once?
This is our brother. Nwachukwu that and this is when his wife went for mother, she stayed there for 4 days. Living there for mother is killing us.
Chief, but you know this is a new government. Which invest in women only.
That's the work control that involves only the women should be abandoned.
Thank you.
You have to say thank you.
And I must say to take my mother-in-law for
What's supposed to